make a statement on the road. The new Mack Anthem, made in Australia for Australia. With business in mind and drivers treated like legends. The new Mack Anthem delivers big on productivity and comfort. Its powerful MP engine, Mack axles and integrated driveline delivers ultimate efficiency. The aerodynamic design means more attention, but less fuel. And the mDRIVE with deep reduction gears means better productivity all round. Improved ergonomics puts you in total comfort. And a long list of safety features take you to the next level. The new Mack Anthem. Proudly part of the Mack family. Proudly made in Australia. Mack Trucks. Born ready.